This next piece of research that I found through Benner Library was really interesting to me. It was a study that was done with a group of kindergartners, and it basically talks about how when we're teaching vocabulary, are we teaching it for breadth or for depth? So basically, looking at the differences between vocabulary exposure and maybe seeing that our students are being exposed to a wide range of words or a wide number of words, a large number of words, versus giving them a select number of words that need to be met and teaching them explicitly enough that they're so well understood that they can comprehend reading in any future academic situation that they find themselves in. So they're able to define the vocabulary term very well and in depth, and they understand where it makes sense in different content areas and where it doesn't. So basically understanding that sometimes we get these, we have these word collar students that they have this huge vocabulary, but maybe they're not really understanding why certain words mean certain things or where they're appropriately placed, whether reading or writing or even just speaking. And so this study really reflected on that and what types of instruction was beneficial and kind of where those students ended up after different various instructional methods. So in vocabulary intervention research, discussions about leveraging instructional time often revolve around the trade-offs between teaching for breadth or depth. The purpose of this study was to evaluate two approaches for supporting vocabulary learning with kindergarten students in the context of storybook read-alouds. Specifically, we compared two methods for directly teaching word meanings that varied in instructional time and depth of instruction. We also compared these methods with a control condition that provided students with incidental exposure to target words.